Normally, when you have same symbol in the question, you can solve them simultaneously. So this will become 8 division 18, and the final answer would be 4 by 9. And if you also make the same mistake, you must know about the order of operation known as PEMDAS rule, where it is clearly stated when you have multiplication and division both, no matter which one comes first, they both have same priority. Again the question comes, if both have same priority, which one to solve first? For that, solve the equation from left to right. So we'll solve for 2 into 4, 8 division 3 into 6. Again going from left to right, 8 division 3. Write this as 8 by 3 and then multiply it by 6. You can cancel 3 and 6 and your final answer would be 16.